Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 26 and in this Vlogtober vlog I am going to be putting these Halloween nails on. So these nails are from the Kiss brand. They're in medium length and they're the special design. They're supposed to glow in the dark, but they didn't. I really just got these because I liked the design, and I did get them at my Rite Aid at the beginning of this month. I do really quickly show you guys what comes inside the packaging along with the nails. So this does come with the Kiss pink gel nail glue, and then with the instructions it does come with stick-ons. I think that's what they're called. You just use that if you don't want to use the glue. I think those little sticky tabs, they don't really last as long. The glue is what really makes these nails last, especially I think on the side of the box it did say that these have a 7-day wear, so I believe the 7-day wear would be if you were to use glue. So then it does come with a small little nail file and then a cuticle pusher. So I am roughing up my nails. I did prep my nails beforehand, and I did off camera size up all of the nails to my nail beds. Now I am going to be applying the fake nails to my own nails. So I do apply a dot of nail glue on my actual nail, and then I apply a dot of nail glue on the fake nail. It just ensures that the nails aren't going to go anywhere, they're not going to budge, and they're going to last for the full 7 days. So after I am done applying these nails onto my own nails, I do like to press on all of my fingernails for a few more seconds to make sure that they are stuck and they're really not going to go anywhere. And then after this, I do go ahead and take the small nail file that came with these nails and I do smooth out the edges. I don't know if you guys could notice this, but there are like these tab markings on the end of each nail, so I just want to smooth them out and not really make them as noticeable. Okay, really quickly, I wanted to talk about the quality of these nails just because personally I was kind of underwhelmed by the quality of these nails. So, I mean, I could already tell by the design that these nails weren't like of the best quality from Kiss, but the strength, like these nails, you could tell these were just like standard fake nails. They didn't really have much strength to them. You could also clearly tell that the designs, like the jack-o'-lantern design and the candy corn design and the star designs, they were just printed on. That's essentially what they did, was just print the design on. I mean, my ring finger where it had like the ombre and the glitter, they kind of took their time on that one. But yeah, I was kind of underwhelmed by these, and just the quality, I just felt they could have done better, to be honest with you. And just the nail as a whole, like strength wise, it could have been better. But I did like these nails either way, because I did just plan on wearing these nails just for a short period of time anyway. I mean, that's probably what they were going for. Kiss, I mean, like these nails they were meant to be worn just for 7 days or even less than that, because they did have the sticky tabs. It came with the sticky tabs. So these were just like, you know, the night of, if you were going to go to a Halloween party or like on Halloween, you'll just wear these for that night. But yeah, I just felt like since they did say that these nails could last for 7 days, the design could have lasted, you know, like that time period also. Like you'll see towards the end of this video what I mean by the design could have lasted longer. So this is what the nails looked like after I rounded off the corners a bit and smoothed out the tabs at the end of the nails a bit. So overall, these nails were nice. Clearly these nails, I believe, in my opinion, would only be good for 1 to 2 days, not 7 days, especially you will see in the next clip. After 4 to 5 days of me wearing these nails exclusively, you do get a bit of like that normal wear at the tips, but in my thumbnails, they really did chip. Like the design, especially the black, really did chip. So if I had known that, I would have only applied these like 1 to 2 days before, like if you're gonna do like a Halloween party or if you wanted to wear them for Halloween. But overall, I did like these nails. I liked the design and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet, or if you are new, please consider subscribing before you leave. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell and then press all afterwards, so that way you guys are notified when my videos do go up. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.